And as you can see, we're live on this trade, and let's wait to see the result of this trade. So let's see the result of this trade and see if we end up winning this trade. What's up guys, what's up? It's your boy XO, and in this video I will be live trading the forex market and showing you guys my best and most highly profitable forex trading strategy on how to use the EMA, which stands for exponential moving average, and Fibonacci break and retests and retracements and engulfing candlestick, price action, and all those good stuff in this video. So guys, will I make a profit in this video? Let's find that out in this video. So watch this video to the end to see my reasons behind every trade, my stops, my targets, my entries, my reasons for trading, and all those good stuff. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so let me just get this out of the way. This video is going to be a pre-recorded video, so the voicing you're going to be hearing is me talking after I've taken the trades, because it's quite difficult to keep up the pace while I'm trading and talking at the same time. I actually sometimes miss some entries, and it's quite difficult and really annoying, because when I'm trying to explain something, the price just quickly moves and I miss that entry and have to wait for a new one. Alright guys, so the first live trade, as you can see at this point, I'm seeing this beautiful break and retest of market structure at this point, and it depends on how you want to draw your break and retest zone with the horizontal with the rectangle tool. And this is just clearly a break and retest for me above the 200 EMA line. And as usual guys, I always say this: once the price is above the 200 EMA line, the 200 EMA line, I'm looking to take only buying trades. All right, so let's bring out our position tool and buy this market. My stops is going to be just slightly below that engulfing candlestick, or maybe below the rectangle tool if you want to. Alright, so like I said, my stops, my entry at that point and my stops is for a 3.3 pip stop, risking 2% on this trade. And I'm sorry for the background noise guys, it's just I think it's just rain or something. It's raining or something outside. And as you can see, we're live on this trade, and let's wait to see the result of this trade. So like I said, a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even. So let's bring out our horizontal ray line, and that's red line, or let me change it to another color, maybe yellow. Alright, so our horizontal ray line is for a 1-to-1, and our main profit target will be a 2-to-1. So once the market hits a 2-to-1, I will close the entire trade, or if you want to, you can just trail your stops if you want to. And I think that's even the best idea, like trailing your stops is the best. So like I said, you can even use the Fibonacci tool. You draw it from the push and to that recent market highs, and as you can see, it's at the 50 and the 61.8 zone. Guys, I did this break and retest without even looking at the Fibonacci, but as you can see, it also correlates with the 50 and the 61.8 zone of the Fibonacci retracement tool, as you can see guys. So it all depends on if you want to use a break and retest, a Fibonacci retracement. It's pretty much the same thing guys. So let's wait for this trade and see if we win this trade. And I've been noticing a break-even trades on some of my videos, and I just want to tell you guys that it's better to take a break-even than to lose the trade. And as you can see, if you had trailed your stops, you could have made a lot more money than what you had at this point. And as you can see, for a 2-to-1, we won this trade. So as you can see, market came all the way down, and if your stops was at break-even, maybe if you left your stops at a 1-to-1 since, then you could have got stopped out. But because I said a 2-to-1, then we closed the entire trade. That was a win. So guys, trade number 2 guys, I saw this market movement at this point. It's kind of a complicated strategy. I'll make a new video explaining this strategy very soon, but I saw this setup and I just got into the trade. And I'm not gonna lie guys, this is kind of a price action strategy. I really don't need the 200 EMA that much, but the 200 EMA is just to confirm my bias for a sell, as you can see. And guys, as usual, a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even. And let me do that guys, a 1-to-1 break even. A 1-to-1.5 is my main profit target, or a 1-to-2 if you want to. So let's see the result of this trade and see if we end up winning this trade. So guys, the price is moving into a drawdown, so let's see. All right, okay, the price is moving in profits, so let's wait and see the result of this trade. So from the previous market high to the previous market lows, and markets came back to the 60 and the 51.8 zone of the Fibonacci retracement tool, and it's kind of like a, I don't know, a Fibonacci retracement strategy. But guys, the Fibonacci, the EMA line is just like 50% of my reasons for taking this trade. So don't blindly go taking this trade. As you can see, a 1-to-1 was a hit, so you clearly move our stops to break even on this trade. Alright, so quickly let's bring out our horizontal ray and draw it at that point. So that is my stop level. Let's use the red color. So my stops at this highs, and as a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even just slightly below the entry, to secure some, like a tiny profit in case of commission fees and all those stuff. So as you can see, my stops have been moved to break even on this trade, and let's see how far the market goes, and let's see if we can end up winning this trade for a 2-to-1. And oh my god guys, as you can see, the price is moving strongly against me. So we almost got taken out at that point, so let's wait for the results of this trade. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got stopped out. Oh, we already got stopped out at that strong wick candlestick. As you can see, I didn't see that, guys. I really didn't see that. So like I said, if you are taking a 1 to 1.5, this trade would have been a win. If you are taking a 1-to-1, this trade is a win. But I would just count this as a break-even trade, so because my stops was obviously at the entry of my trade. So basically we lost nothing and we won nothing on this trade. Alright guys, you know what, let me briefly explain this strategy. So real quick, I saw this highs at this point and the market broke past that 200 EMA line as usual, guys, and I'm looking for like a reason to take the trade. As you can see, every market movement was pushing down to the downside. The market broke above the 200 EMA line and it fell down, and I'm clearly seeing this one at this point. So I'm looking to take my trade at the 61.8 and at the 50 zone of the Fibonacci retracement tool. And it's kind of a little bit confusing if you don't get the whole picture. So before you start trading like this, please go and back test it and see if it's something you like. And I'll be making a new video showing you guys how I trade this strategy, giving you guys an in-depth step-by-step reasons behind this trade. So I want you guys to be careful with this strategy. It's a little dangerous, so you have to look at the market's momentum, look at where the trend is, and look at in what phase is the market actually going to. As you can see, I'm using the 1 minute time frame, but I'm actually taking note of the 5 minutes and the 15 minute time frame to see how strong is the bulls and bears in the market. So guys, based on my technical analysis and trading, I can see that the bears are in control of this trend even on the 1 minute time frame. So that is one of the reasons why I took this trade at this point, guys. So if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.